AI can write emails. It can summarize meetings. It can even plan your next social media post. But here's the truth. AI won't save your business, not on its own, because tools don't build businesses. Systems do. AI is powerful, no question about that. It can speed things up, automate tasks, even spark creativity. But AI doesn't fix disorganized workflows. It won't replace strategy. And it can't create clarity where none exists. If the business model is broken, AI only breaks it faster. Here's what actually creates results: a clear offer, a repeatable process, and a system that delivers value consistently. AI works best inside that system. For example, if the sales process is mapped out, AI can help qualify leads faster. If content topics are planned, AI can help write faster. If the customer journey is clear, AI can automate parts of the follow-up. But without a system, AI just creates noise, not progress. What saves the business isn't more tools. It's better thinking. The ability to focus on what matters. Remove unnecessary steps. Build a structure where tools like AI can plug in and perform. That's what scales. That's what frees up time. That's what builds momentum. AI is incredible, but it's not a savior. Start with clarity. Build the system. Then let AI make it faster, smoother, and smarter. That's the part most people miss, and the part that actually works.